You want to say hey to my YouTube? Watch side eye. Look at my baby, guys. Her chocolate drops. Oh, milk that head. Ma, don't you let the chocolate M&M, the brown one. All I'm gonna say, y'all think about going to hell, better change your mind. Ma, they got a Krispy Kreme. Oh my gosh.
Just keep your hand off of them people. Come on. Well, hell, nothing.
How they call? What? You know what? Cut the camera. Okay, so hopefully y'all can hear me because I left my my microphone. But we're currently in Columbia, South Carolina. I think I'm gonna name the video like 24 hours in Columbia, something like that. But we're taking my sister to her school. So yeah, I didn't give y'all a proper intro because I literally just started filming when we went to get something to eat. So yeah, that's that. But if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Taquasia. You can call me Taquasia, you can call me Ty or Imani. But yeah, we're currently at Ross, as y'all can see. They got some cute decor. Like, I was looking at stuff from my apartment and I like this rug because my bed is gonna be like a beige color, and I'm gonna get the queen size because I currently have a full. So yeah, and then like, oh, I gotta show y'all the wallpaper too. Like, it's off of Wayfair. It's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so we're back in the truck. We're about to hit. It's currently like what? It's like 1:22. Her check-in is at 2 o'clock, so they finna head over there now, I guess. We're like, I guess like 12 minutes from the school, or like 10 minutes from the school. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all probably once we're in the dorm, because it's gonna be too much moving, and hopefully y'all can hear me. Hey guys, so
there you go, right there.
We're at Wally World. Oh, they got an Ashley outlet over here.
Oh, they do?
Uh-huh. And an American Deli.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Nothing. Oh.
So we're at Walmart. We had to pick up her groceries.
Yeah.
And get a few more things for her.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just put her stuff up. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, it's coming.
And they finna come now to put the groceries in. You gotta unlock it.
She gonna unlock
cause she whatchamacallit. My face look a little
no,
dry.
I couldn't say. I know all them ain't yours.
Whatchamacallit?
Yeah.
She did a pickup order, but we still gotta go in there. She did a pickup order for the groceries, but we still have to get some stuff out of Walmart. So as y'all can see, they're gonna put it in now. So yeah, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Guys, we're at Walmart. I still don't have my microphone, bro, because it's back in Georgia. But yeah, look at my baby. Why is you looking like that? But yeah, we finna go in here and shop now. We waiting for Craig and Hannah to get out of the car. It don't take that long to park. I don't know what they're finna do, but yeah. Alright, so it's a whole new day. What is today? It is August 8th, Saturday, and it's 1:20 p.m. So we just came back from shopping. I had to get my hair. This pretty hat. And what inch was this? I don't remember. Oh, it was 52 inches. Cause I'm putting some more braids in my hair. Just so it could last. Cause I was gonna do like another quick weave or whatnot, but we're trying to stay under our budget. So we're doing our maintenance, and our maintenance budget was under $40. So said again, like, cause the bundles I was gonna get, they don't cost $20. It was from the beauty supply store. They were the same ones I used last year, which was like after my birthday, which I'll put some pictures up so y'all can remember. But yeah, so I'm gonna put some braids in my hair. Also, we went to Ross because Rainbow apparently don't know their schedule, because it said that they opened at 10. They did not. The website said it. Well, Google said it. They door said it. We out there at 11 o'clock. The doors, ain't nobody in there. Then we went to Ross because we didn't feel like going to the mall because we only needed to go to Rainbow. So we just went to Ross because it was like 2 stores down. So I ended up getting these pants, these like leggings, because I just wanted like something to lounge in. So I wanted to get a 2-piece. Mind you, we under budget. So these were, how much are these? These were $11.99. So then we come out of Ross, right? My mama said, oh, it looked like it's light on in there. It was. I go to the door's still locked, but they're at the cash register or whatnot. And mind you, it's about to be 12 o'clock. No, it was 12 o'clock. Yeah, it was 12 o'clock. Why are y'all 2 hours late? What was y'all doing? So I got these pants, and now I gotta go back to Rainbow tomorrow. Not that one. It's someone in a different city. We're going to Rainbow tomorrow so I can get like a cute little top, like a white top or something. But the thing is, I don't even got no white sandals. All I got is black sandals. But we're gonna make it work. We got to. But I'm gonna try these on. So I'll see how they look. It's in a large. The brand name is, what is the brand name? Suzette Collection. They did have this cute 2-piece thingy. It was a 2-piece. It was they had like the blue and the green one. I didn't like the black one because the black one, everything was polka dots. The headband, shirt, and the leggings. I said no, ma'am. So the pink and the green one I wanted, they were $24.99. Mind you, in there it's like a little tote bag. Then on the inside is the 2-piece. Plus you get like a little headband, not a headband. They had a claw clip, the green one did. I think the pink one had like a headband like the black one did. But either or, I wanted the green and the pink, and I could not get it. So I had to settle. But these are how the pants fit. This is a size large. Oh, and then these are how the bottoms look. They look a little high water. Just a little bit. But we're gonna make it work. We have to. Because we have no other choice. And I took the tab off. But I mean, I still got my receipt. But I don't feel like going back. So, yes. I was gonna do my hair today, but I'm still burnt out from yesterday. Bro. Yesterday? Let me tell you about it. We was helping my sister move in. Her moving time was 2 o'clock. I don't even think we started till like 3. Then it was just a whole lot of, we started leaving around like 10 something. But we didn't make it back to Georgia. Well, like our city, well, the house. We didn't make it back there until like 12:30. Because we stopped at Zaxby's, right? So I could get me something to eat because they had McDonald's. We don't eat McDonald's no more. So I went to get me some Zaxby's. I ordered it on the website so I could pick it up inside because the line was very long. They gave me the option to do that. So when it's time for me to pick up my order from the inside, the doors are locked. The doors are locked. So we had to get in the long line, and we didn't make it back here till 12:30. Literally, we were like an hour behind schedule because we were supposed to be back here at like 11:46. We got back almost an hour later. And I'm tired. I'm tired. Very tired. So I might not start on my hair tonight. I might save that for tomorrow. Because the video was going to be called 72 Hours of My Life. So it's 72 hours will really end like tomorrow around noon. So I mean I might could start on my hair tonight just to get it out the way. Cause I still gotta go to Rainbow tomorrow to get me a top. Yeah. So I don't know. We might call it like cause god dang it. Cause who wants to watch a 96 hours of my life? What? So wait, yeah. Cause it'll just be, yeah, it could be 72 because I'm thinking of 48. It definitely was gonna be 48. So yeah, it could be 72 hours in my life. Yeah, so that's gonna be the title. So, but I'm currently really tired right now. So y'all probably won't see me till tomorrow. I don't know. Okay, so I'm back just for a little bit. I took my hair out and I'm gonna be doing these lemonade braids. I'm gonna put the picture on the screen. I was debating on doing the lemonade / knotless braids or just doing the lemonade braids. Cause with me, I like a versatile hairstyle. Like I want to be able to like put it up, and I feel like it would look weird like if I were to put my hair up with just lemonade braids. So I thought about doing the knotless, but then again, I don't want to spend all day on my hair. So I might just do the lemonade braids and call it a day. Cause I have to do my hair. Then my mama want me to do her hair. And it's like after 6, I think. But also, I just found out because today is the 8th. Yes. They just put You, Me, and Tuscany on Peacock. And we're finna watch it. I got my candy, got my drink, food is cooking, and we're finna relax. And then do my hair later because I don't feel like doing it right now.